Alright, in this video we're going to be showing you how you can print a journal for a transaction dispute. And first things first, you're going to want to log into your management functions. So we'll go enter, clear, cancel, 1, 2, 3. And from here we'll type in our operator password. Our default is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yours may be all 5s. And then once we're in our operator functions, we're going to go to journal. And then from here we're just going to want to view our journal. And this is where you can view all your transactions, or whenever someone logs in or opens the door, anything that happens on this machine will be in your journal. So we got all of our dates in our modes right here. So we'll go previous. And we'll hit that again. We can go previous 50, and that takes us back multiple days. So that would be the 15th. Someone logged into our operator mode. Someone added cash on this day. So all these journals is everything that your machine happens. So we'll go to the next 50. And when you do print a journal for a transaction dispute, you want to make sure you print the 2 ahead of that transaction and the 2 past that transaction. So we'll just go previous 50, and then we'll click print this. And then it'll print that transaction. And from here, you can cancel out. You can cancel out all the way back out to your main menu, and then you have that transaction for a dispute. Thanks for watching.
Check the links in the description below to learn more. Don't forget to click the like and subscribe button and the bell notification to get notified when we drop new helpful videos. Thanks for watching.